Hello, today we will be setting up the Sennheiser DW10 office headset. What's in the box? In our refurbished set, you will get a Sennheiser bass unit, a headband, a microphone, a power supply, USB lead and a snub cable. I will now show you the default setup before connecting to a device. Please ensure that the headset is set to the default settings. All the dip switches should be all facing up. Also make sure the slider bar is set to A. In my setup, you can see that all the dip switches are up, and the slider bar is set to A. Plug in your power supply on the back of the base to give the unit power. It has a yellow sticker above the port. Place the microphone facing up on the cube. The blue and red light means it's pairing. For charging, each light represents 25% battery. You can press the headset button and you should see a blue connection light on your base. This means they are synced. How to connect and use on a desk phone, using the headset port. Get the small snub cable and put the green end of the wire into the port with the green sticker. Now with the other side of the snub cable, put it into the headset port located on your desk phone. Now once you press the headset button, and your base connects, press the headset button on the desk phone and your calls will be activated. This is the same process for ending calls. Switching between PC and desk phone. If you have your PC and desk phone simultaneously connected, you can simply switch between them. Click the icon of your choice on the face of your base, and then press the headset button to activate it. Setting up the Sennheiser lifter. In this setup, dial 1 and 2 need to be down to put it in lifter mode. Plug the cable with the pink band into the lifter. As we have done previously, using color coding, match the pink side of the lifter's cable into the port with the pink sticker labeled ACC. Plug in your power supply on the back of the base to give the unit power. It has a yellow sticker above the port. Now, when you click your headset button, the light should appear on the base, and the lifter will go up. Get the small snub cable and put the green end of the wire into the port with the green sticker. Take out the original handpiece curly cord from the phone. Place the curly cord that you disconnected into the port base with a white sticker marked handpiece. Now plug the other end of your snub cable into the handpiece port. Get the lifter and take off the sticky pads. Stick this in a suitable place at the top of your phone, underneath the handpiece. Now, when you press the headset button, your handpiece will lift, remotely activating your call. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.